All right, new day. We're gonna get back to it. I think we're gonna start on this side for the fender. I think we're gonna start guide coating this side. See, I'm gonna take that down. I'm gonna redo that quarter. We'll spray it, but let's start guiding. Then we're gonna hit that because I want to finish. I'm gonna have to show you all the color. This color is sick, but first we gotta go get some primer. So let's go to O'Reilly's. Let's get what we need, and we'll be back at it. All right. Just got back from O'Reilly's. We got all our paint and whatnot. So let's go get to the bodywork and priming. Got sticks, strainers, and all we need, so let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna start guide coating this door. I would like to take off the mirror and whatnot, but this door, I'm not able to get it open. I'm not sure what happened. Whenever I was installing it, I finally got it to close, then I couldn't get it open anymore. So yeah, we gotta figure that out after we do the bodywork. All right, we got that guided and we got our fender guided, so let's get to the sanding. All right, so we're gonna do this fender, but let me show you how to sand it. I feel like I didn't really give a good enough explanation. Can you see that? Yeah, look, so it's at an angle, more of like an X, so let me start from right here. See, I'm going this way. You start off like this, just going like this, moving back and forth across it, but just like this, just keeping this flat. You don't want it like this. Well, you can have it like different ways, but you don't want to have it, you know, crooked. You want it flat on there like this, moving it like that way. Then we can come to this other side too and come do the same thing, just in the other direction. But you want to keep it at that X pattern. Just like a cross hatching is what I call it. So that's what you want to do. See where we got our dents right here? This is something we could tell for sure is our dent. As you see, we're going over and over. It's not going away. If you want to be for sure, just keep going over it for a while. If it doesn't go away, that's going to be your low spot. See, that is not going away. But for something like these over here, that's going to go away once you do it more and more. Look at that. See? Take your time. This is a 120 grit I'm using. And look at that. Let's do the rest. Yeah, need some work. See, when I'm doing it on these sides, I'm keeping it as flat as can be. All right, so I got about everything sanded. I just need to do here and there. I really would like to take off the mirror, but I cannot get this door open. I don't know why. It's just stuck. But yeah, we're gonna finish doing that fender. But yeah, this door needs some love. Oh, we got a dent right there, right there, right there, there. I gotta check right there. Something small there. And that's about all. Just small things, nothing too crazy. So just put a small little dab of putty and we'll be good there. Let's hit this fender. So right here, I'm just using my hand just to feel where I'm at and just to see how much more I need to take off. I believe it's good to get your hand more involved just to see where you're at and just to help you with the body work. This helps a lot to feel where you're at. Alright, you see we got all our stuff that we needed filled. We got it sanded. The main thing I'm doing here is I'm trying to get all the big things on this first sanding, this first guiding, just to get that all looking nice. Because I believe I'm about to check this 2 or 3 times. So that second time I'm going to check everything one more time and look for all those little dents here and there and all those little low spots. We just want to get all those big dents out of our way so we can get a slicker, nicer look. On our fender, there's not much of anything. It's just made little pinholes in little areas where I guess I didn't feather it out when I sanded it down. So it's nothing too crazy. Just put a small amount of putty and we'll be good there. But this is how we're looking so far. Alright, so I'm about to start covering this, but I'm going to give it about like 30 minutes, an hour, because, man, I look too dark, but on the other side, let me see if I can show you. It's all wet. See that way? So, let me give it about an hour, 30-ish minutes, see what happens. Because I said earlier it was going to rain at 5, it's almost 5, so wait till then, and we'll see what happens. If not, then we're going to start spreading some Bondo. If not, we're going to have to get it in the next one. It is coming. Alright, so it is about to rain, so we're gonna have to wait to do all this. I would have liked to prime it before it did rain, but I mean, look, it's getting nasty from this hurricane that's supposed to be coming. But we'll get to it after that, but hit that follow and stay tuned. Not gonna want to miss any of this. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff and this color is gonna go insane. So I'll see you all in the next one.